Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how I can reset the tire pressure indicator of a Porsche Cayenne 2015 model. We had a flat tire and this indicator over here on the left side keeps popping up when we turn the ignition on. And I'm going to show you how I got rid of that. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any questions, any comments, use the commentary and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Let's start with this one. Turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition. Then we have to go to the settings area or the vehicle area on the right side of yes, turn this wheel till we get the vehicle or tire pressure sign here. Once you are here, press on the wheel. Then all you have to do is mark this one, full load. Once you have done that, go back, turn off the ignition, start the car, and as you can see, the indicator is gone now. The next measurement will be at 25 kilometers an hour, so you have to drive it for a while and the new measurements or the tires will appear over here. So once again, turn the ignition on. Let's find, by turning on the right wheel, the tire pressure. Once you are here, press this, full load, or you can fill info for each tire. Once you have done that, take a look and drive it for a few minutes and the indicator won't show up again. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.